Well, I'm a mountain bike downhill and enduro racer and race on the World Cup and World Enduro. And I like to ride a motorbike in my spare time, so I have a bit of a laugh on the dirt bike. Mountain bikes are more fun because I'm a bit more in control, but dirt bikes are bloody fun as well, so step by step we're learning. Yeah, just done a few local races in New Zealand, but not too much, so only really got into it since 2015, so just a few years, but enjoy it. Started on the Yamaha 125 and then I've gone Kiwi 250F, Yamaha 250F, two of those, and now I've got a KTM 350 here in the UK. It was just whatever was on the market at the time, but had a big issue with it in the first ride, so it wasn't too successful, but she's all fixed now and we're good to go. So it's quite different. It often crosses over a lot of things. The cornering probably crosses over quite a bit, but body position's a bit different. Just the weight of the dirt bike as well, and you have to jump with the throttle, and the mountain bike you're used to rolling off the jumps. So it's quite interesting to try and learn every ride. When I'm on a dirt bike I'm always learning, so when I'm on a mountain bike it's almost second nature and you're just kind of doing it. So it's cool to be learning every time you go out. I've been racing mountain bikes overall since 99 or 2000, and then professionally probably since 2011 or 2010, and in Europe since 2008, so quite a while. Probably, yeah, it's going on a while now. I've won a round of the World Enduro, so that's been probably my best result really, and then just do a whole bunch of videos myself, Wyn TV, so yeah, if you haven't seen those then check those out, and if you want to follow some mountain biking stuff then check out the Wyn TV. Yeah, then I'm probably known for doing Wyn's Wheelie Wednesday, which is a weekly video segment. Just like to do a few wheelies now and again and put out a video every week, so check that out on Instagram if you want. Yeah, this is my GT enduro race bike, and it's a new one for this year, so we've just pretty much got on that this year, and it's going well, pretty happy with it. Yeah, it's a team bike at the moment, yeah, team only, but it'll be on the market soon, so you'll be able to get those soon, yeah. For enduro, we were racing on a shorter travel the last year and now a bit more, so it's cool. That's 160 and 170 fork, so 160 shot. But we're also on a new version of bike at the moment, so we're slowly testing things and they should come to market soon. It's been good. The sun's out, so we're enjoying it, making the most of the bit of summer that we've got here. And it's nice just to be able to drive over to Europe and go to the races rather than have the big trip from New Zealand. Yeah, travelled around quite a bit, especially in the south anyway. Pretty much there's a whole bunch of small places, no big mountains, but there's a heap of places to ride, so it's pretty enjoyable. Probably favourites to actually ride properly would be up at Dovey Bike Park in North Wales, or Revolution Bike Park, and then yeah, just local stuff around me. I just do some stuff from my door in Chichester, and it's good to be able to ride from home really. Yeah, I've got a GT E-Force e-bike and ride that quite a bit, especially over the winter when it's too muddy. It pretty much gets me out the door for a ride when I wouldn't normally go, so it's good, yeah. Enjoy the e-bike. Got a short break between the race season now, so back into it from the start of August through to probably October, so yeah, it's good to have a little break now and be able to get out on the dirt bike.